Meditation is everywhere. Unless you've been living under a rock, you have noticed the talk of meditation, mindfulness, awareness, and self-knowledge has rocketed in recent years. But if you're like me and never gave meditation a try in the past, maybe today is the day you start. Meditation itself was born from very practical roots. For serious practitioners, it is a tool, not a fashion statement. Indeed, when the yoga pants, mala beads, and cultural packagings are stripped away, meditation is little more than a psychological exercise. Think of it as push-up for the minds. So, how can the modern man reap the benefits of meditation? There are multiple ways in which meditation can be a beneficial mental exercise. After all, the brain is the most used muscle of them all. But did you know that regular meditation can offer a pleasant boost to your love life? From fine-tuning your bedroom prowess to skyrocketing your confidence and charisma, meditation, used properly, can be an ancient tool repurposed to fit the needs of an iconic man. If you thought meditation was a purely spiritual practice, well, think again. I made a list of 5 benefits of meditation. Number 1. A calm man is a confident man. Confidence is something of an illusion. As any public speaker will tell you, their calm exterior is little more than a mask, is the result of practice. While they may seem perfectly at home on stage, what is going on inside can be an entirely different matter. As with public speaking, day-to-day confidence takes time and practice. One of the biggest obstacles towards developing confidence is the chatter of the mind, aka overthinking. Those critical voices in your head just narrating how badly you're going. What I've learned is that when you can't quiet the critical voices in your head, you're not present in the moment and you may miss out on life. Meditation is a fantastic tool for quieting the internal critic. Indeed, this is one of the primary aims of meditation, stilling what the Buddhists call the monkey mind. With regular practice, meditation will instill in you a calm and relaxed demeanor. You'll find yourself rest-ruffled in day-to-day situations. Of course, this will transfer into all areas of your life, including your relationships. A man that exhibits a calm demeanor is a far more attractive prospect than his jittery, nervous competition. Number 2. Mind control equals body control. The body and the mind are deeply interconnected, but we often mistakenly think of our thoughts as something separate from our bodies. It's like software versus hardware. However, just as psychological worry can raise your blood pressure, the nature and quality of almost all thinking can have a profound impact on your physical performance and well-being. Sex is no different. It's no coincidence that in our stressed and hectic world, the pharmaceutical industry is booming. Erectile dysfunction, or ED, is a growing problem, and it's one that the chemists are happy to sell you a pricey blue-pilled cure for. However, ED and many other sexual issues often stem from psychological causes. More often than not, the primary issue is stress. Meditation is a fantastic tool for reducing stress. As a result, those who occasionally experience sexual performance issues can see a rapid improvement. Even for men not afflicted with such issues, the additional understanding of oneself that meditation can offer improvements in your stamina, your sexual empathy, and many other subtle areas of your love life. Number 3. Focus is key. Men who can focus can appear almost supernatural. One of the most common complaints women cite regarding the men in their lives is their inability to notice details. You'll stand out from the crowd if you notice when she's got a new haircut, that she likes it when you do a certain thing or touch her in a particular place, or that she's been dropping subtle hints about something she wants to try. Simply by being aware of her changing emotional states, you'll instantly be a cut above the rest. Meditation trains the mind to focus, and as such, you will develop a more keen and discerning eye. The common term for this is mindfulness, or put it simply, noticing what is going on around you. In short, regular training in meditation will make you more present in the world, and this will allow you to be more present with her. Number 4. Lucid dreaming. Long-term meditation is also a portal to another fascinating state of mind, namely lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming is essentially nature's virtual reality. In a lucid dream, one can dream whatever one wishes, and that includes all kinds of sexual fantasies and experimentation. While meditation isn't an instant or direct route to lucid dreaming, it is a vital component in its development. When one masters both lucid dreaming and meditation, it opens up a world of consequence-free sexual exploration. If you're looking to investigate your own fantasies and sexuality in depth, then lucid dreaming is a safe and accessible tool to do so. Of course, being a form of natural virtual reality, lucid dreaming offers much more than just this and can be used to explore your imagination in all manner of ways. Needless to say, when you feel more confident in your private sexual needs and identity, this will swiftly translate to an improvement in your relationships. Number 5. Slow things down. The modern world is always in such a rush. This fast-paced approach to living has also influenced our love lives. Apps such as Tinder are a prime example of love at lightning speed, creating an almost consumerist attitude towards our love lives. How we meet, how we date, how we approach intimacy, even how we end relationships have all taken on a rushed and hectic tone. Meditation helps us to slow down, to become more in tune with the natural rhythms of love and sexuality. While this might all sound a little hippie, it is based on hard facts and science, and it has real-world practical values. Learning to approach sex and love in a more relaxed manner will help you stand out from the crowd. It will also allow you to form real bonds rather than being caught in a world of disposable one-night stands. So give meditation a try. Meditation is more than just a fashionable pastime spent sitting cross-legged, zoning out, and scoring yourself hipster brownie points. Meditation is a scientifically proven method to enhance your well-being, decrease stress, and increase your awareness in your everyday life. An improvement in your love life is only one of a myriad of ways in which meditation can be beneficial. So if you've been harboring a little skepticism and avoiding meditation due to outdated stereotypes or stigmas, I highly recommend giving it a try. For as little as an investment of 10 minutes of your time each day, you'll soon start to see tangible improvements in many areas of your life. If nothing else, it'll give you some time to unwind and become familiar with the power and intricacy of your own mind. Remember, a healthy love life starts with a healthy relationship with your own self. So how about you? Have you ever meditated? Please let me know in the comment section below.